Hello, Dr. Sriki here, and welcome to today's lesson. Today's lesson is a continuation of my Making Math Fun series for elementary learners. In today's lesson, I'll be sharing tips and strategies to help support our elementary learners as they learn about measuring. We measure things to find out their exact size, such as how high, how long, or how heavy they are. What do we measure? We measure time, length, ingredients, money, speed, temperature, age, and height. To measure things accurately, we use what we call units of measurement that are a fixed size. These are called standard units and are the same all over the world. For example, to measure length, distance, and height, we can use these units: inches, feet, yards, miles, millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. To measure mass, we can use ounces, pounds, tons, milligrams, grams, and kilograms. To measure temperature, which is how hot or how cold something is, we can use either degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. Did you know that these units are named after scientists Daniel Fahrenheit and Anders Celsius? Now you know. To measure capacity, or how much a container can hold, we can use these units: fluid ounces, pints, quarts, liters, and gallons. To measure time, we can use seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. To measure the speed at which something is moving at, such as a car, fan, or even the wind, we can use these units: feet per second, miles per hour, meters per second, kilometers per hour. Again, to measure things accurately, we have to use units of measurements that are a fixed size and that are standard units that can be used wherever we go. For more tips, strategies, and to download a free copy of these standard units of measurements, please visit my website. Thank you for learning with Dr. Sriki today. See you in the next lesson.